What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blades of Grass Lawn Care. Now, I usually don't make these type of videos. I usually make maintenance videos where you see me with a mower, getting out there doing my thing. But I've gotten a lot of questions from you guys in regards to, how I keep my yard weed free in the videos. So today I decided to talk to you guys. Well, this year, put it this way, I'm going to be talking more about what I do to my yard in regards, to make it look this way, okay? Now, the first thing that you need to do every season, guys, I'm telling you, this works, is get a soil test. Get a soil test of your property and take it to your local testing facility. And if for any reason you don't know where is your local testing facility, Site One, or you could just Google it or buy a packet online where you can send in a sample and they will let you know what is needed in your property. Because I see a lot of people get up and the first thing they do is go to the Home Depot or Lowe's and buy a whole bunch of Scott's fertilizer and just throw stuff all over their property, guys. No, take the time and do a soil test, and this will let you know exactly what your property needs. And I used to be just like you guys, I promise you. So get a soil test. That's the first thing that you want to do every year. Next is the big secret, guys. This is the biggest secret no one tells you. The lawn treatment guys, they don't tell you this. Your pre-emergent application. Guys, if you stick with your pre-emergent applications, I promise you, you will not have the amount of weeds that you have. Now, you will have weeds, but it's going to cut down the amount of weeds that you have tremendously, like you see in my property. The little spots is a little bit of POA annual. But guys, let me tell you, your pre-emergent application is the key to having a weed-free lawn. That's a big secret. A weed-free lawn this spring. I promise you when I tell you, okay? Now you'll ask yourself, what is a pre-emergent application? Pre-emergent herbicide, basically what they do is they block the weed seeds from germination before they emerge in your lawn. Right, so basically they form a sheet and they block most of the weeds from germinating. Now the key to a great pre-emergent application, guys, is the timing. Fall and spring are the best time, the most effective time for you to put down your pre-emergent application. Now, depending on your goal, the best available pre-emergent today is Barricade, which is a long-lasting pre-emergent. Then you have Tenacity, is a pre-emergent that is safe for use. There are also Scott Turf Builder, which prevent crabgrass. And if you want something to prevent your weeds from popping up inside your plant beds, you can use something like Snapshot. That works great in your plant beds, okay? Or go to Lowe's or the Home Depot. There's different types of pre-emergent that you can utilize in your plant beds and you can utilize in your turf. Now, guys, one thing that you also have to remember, Roundup is not a pre-emergent, okay? Roundup, if you spray it, Roundup will kill everything. So do not use Roundup as a pre-emergent. And your best bet, like I said before, is to go to Site One, go online, type in pre-emergent and the type of grass that you have. And if you don't know what type of grass you have, guys, the easiest way to find out is take real close-up pictures and take it to your local nursery, and they can help you. All you have to do is take it to your local nursery, they can assist you and let you know what type of grass you have. So guys, one thing that I want you to remember, a pre-emergent is not a weed killer, okay? It's a weed preventer. So be mindful of that. If you already have weeds, they're gonna keep growing, and some pre-emergent will kill it, but most pre-emergent are not gonna kill your current weeds. So if you put down your pre-emergent and you see weeds popping up, it's because the weeds were germinating prior to you applying your pre-emergent. Make sense? Awesome. So guys, hope that this was helpful to you. And again, put down your pre-emergent. You can put down your pre-emergent right now all the way up to, the beginning of April, and water it in. And hopefully you will have a weed-free yard, or most of your weeds will be will be dead, right? If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. And if this is something that you want me to talk more about, just let me know in the comments, and I can give you guys more follow up on this. Now, also keep in mind, guys, if you are a business, you have to have a pesticide license to apply pesticide, which is pre-emergent, to someone's property. Okay, now if you're a homeowner, of course you can go to the Home Depot, buy it, or go to Site One, purchase your pre-emergent, and just go for it. But if you are a business, you need to have the proper license. Okay, make sure you do that. Guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a blessed one, and see you in the next one. Pop smoke. Peace.